Namaskar, welcome to Career News. In this video, we are going to talk about the assistant professor vacancy that has been come from Kottayam, Kerala, Mahatma Gandhi University. You can see here the recruitment for the assistant professor going to be conducted in a various subject at the university department or its different school. The basic pay has to be prescribed here for the post that to be paid to the candidate after selection as a enumeration will be 57,700 as per the CPC 7th level 10. Now see the seat matrix category wise as well as subject wise. The Department of Chemical Sciences having 2 vacancy, one in with a specialization. You can see the specialization also here. Theoretical chemistry having 1 post, organic chemistry having 1 post. In the school of later, English language and literature having 1 post, a school of Indian legal thought, subject will be law, and 1 post also given here for this subject. A school of behavioral science having in social work 1 post, and social work with a specialization having 1 post also. Psychology having 1 post. A school of international relation and politics having 1 post. A school of social sciences, you can see here history or archaeology or anthropology or sociology or philosophy also having with a specialization. Desirable qualification also given here, and specialization, subject specialization also given here. Philosophy of social sciences, sciences of modern history, ethnographic history, desirable at PhD or research level. Social theory, theoretical, historical sociology, archaeology and modern history, 1 post. There is 1 post for each specialization in the school of social sciences. A school of biosciences having 2 subjects with 2 specialization, biochemistry having 1 post and biophysics having 1 post also. A school of pure and applied sciences in physics in the subject of physics with a specialization. Theoretical physics having 1 post. Material science also having 1 post. A school of management and business study having a specialization in MBA or PGDMA from IM with a specialization in human resource and management also having 1 post. Here you can see that the candidate age must be below 50 on 1st January 2003, and qualification going to be considered as the UGC regulation 2018. Here you can see the general instruction for the filling the application form. You have to fill the application form after following this link or following website www.facultyrecruitment.mgu.ac.in. The link of this notification also given in the video description. After visiting this given website, you have to fill the application on or before 31st October 2003, and you have to send the 2 hard copy with all supporting documents and required certificate. After self-attesting the all documents and application form, and your hard copy of the application form must be reached on or before 5th November 2003, and fee for this post going to be for the general category 2000 fee will have to pay for the registration fee, as a registration fee is 2000 rupee, and 1000 rupee has to be paid by the SC/ST candidate for the same. So good luck. See in the next video. You can see here last date and hard copy sending or reaching date, deadline also given here. So one thing must remember that right now for the same date there are also opening for associate professor and professor in different subject or in a different discipline. You can visit the university website if you are interested for the post of professor, associate professor or assistant professor. Right now for the all designation the recruitment is open and applications are going on. So thank you.